Hey, Betty. What's your name?
Julian.
Julian. What's your name, little man?
Buga.
What's your real name?
Dylan.
Dylan? Julian and Dylan. Let me see your hair, Juju. This is my big boy. He's 5 years old. You 5? What about your brother? How old is he?
I'm 3.
That's good. Let me see your hair, Buga. Look down. Okay, and you've been having your hair for 1 year? 1 year and 10 months.
Here for 10 months?
Yeah, almost 2 years.
Here for why is Stop.
You're going to be 6 in December.
December. I'm going to be 6 forever?
No, you're not going to be 6 forever. You're going to grow up and you're going to be big like Daddy.
I'm 3 forever.
No, you're not going to be 3 forever. You're going to grow up. Okay, so let me see your hair. It's almost 2 years in April.
What is it, April?
Yeah, in April, your hair, you will have your dreads for 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
2 years?
You and your brother, both, will have your dreads for 2 years. What's wrong?
I want to see it.
You want to play the game? Okay, I'm going to let you play the game. Okay, I gotta do this video real quick. Because there are some people out there who care for your hair.
He can know what I say. In the work job? What's he in?
No, not in my work job. Just I guess on my YouTube. So I guess come stand right here. That way I can see all your hair. And this is me.
Okay. Oh.
Dylan, go stand next to your brother.
Like this?
But you gotta get down.
Okay.
Another update in a few months when it's 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, when you have your dress for 2 years, okay?
Alright. Hey, I want to see it.
You wanna see it? Yeah, you're gonna see it when it's done, okay?
Okay. Oh my god.
Juju, turn around. Let me see your face. Your hair's so long. You don't have. What? What is it?
I feel the doctor bigger. I can put beads in your hair.
Do I do what?
The rubber bands in your hair.
I don't have rubber band. Talking about for my ponytail?
Yeah, the pony.
Okay. Well, that's it, y'all.